A question that usually does come up is like, what can an assistant do for me? How can they help me in my business? What are even like the benefits of having a virtual assistant? Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now, my goal after this video is to walk you through the different ways that a virtual assistant can help you and your business. Now, if this is your first time on my channel, my name is Lai Lacaba. I've been working from home since I was 15 years old and now run my own virtual assistant company here in the Philippines, 2XU. And I post videos every Sunday and Thursday on how to work from home and how to business from home. So make sure to hit the subscribe button right there so you don't miss any of my videos. Now, as I've been running a virtual assistant company in the last 3 years, a question that usually does come up is like, what can an assistant do for me? How can they help me in my business? What are even like the benefits of having a virtual assistant? So I'm going to walk you guys step by step, or basically tip by tip, on what those could be for you and how an assistant can help you and your business. First one is the super usual one that people would even think about, is they just help you free up your time. A virtual assistant can help you work on the things that you really didn't want to do, things that you don't really like doing anyway in the first place, or they just needed to get done in your business, but doesn't mean that they necessarily have to be done by you. Right now, it could be taking you, 5 hours to be able to filter and go through comments maybe or social media, and an assistant can help you do that. They can be that person who's doing that, and that's how they can free up your time. The second way an assistant can help you in your business is freeing up your energy. Doing the things that you don't like doing takes a lot of energy, takes a lot of willpower for you to be able to push yourself to do the thing that you didn't really want to do anyway. So to free up a lot of just mental energy of how to do things in your business that, again, you don't have to do in the first place, that you can easily delegate to someone else, which is your virtual assistant. Third thing that a virtual assistant can help you in your business is to filter input. Now, this is just a shortcut way that I've kind of thought about on like basically filtering the things that come to your attention. So a virtual assistant can help you clean up the things, not just the things that you should be doing, but also the things that you should be paying attention to. So examples of this could be filtering your inbox, filtering your calendar, filtering communications. This could be filtering the things that you want to attend. This could be making sure that, again, the only thing that is right in front of you are the things that you should be doing that will help you grow your business. Fourth way is to be able to capture and organize. What I mean by this is they're able to help you capture your ideas, capture your thoughts, capture also information for you, and organize them in a way where it makes sense. So it could be that they have your business ideas all in one file, things you want to do in another file, making sure that's going to be easy for you and of course them to be able to find notes and folders and documents and having them all in one place where it's easy for you to access, even if they're not there. The next thing that an assistant can help you with is creating documentation. What I mean by this is being able to create reports for you, standard operating procedures, and I have a whole video on how your assistant can create your standard operating procedures. They can also create basically just documentation on how you like things. Like when you're traveling, what are your preferred ways of traveling? Is it business class? Is it making sure that you're there 2 hours before? Is it making sure that the plane has Wi-Fi? Making sure basically that your life is now documented in a way where it's easy for not just your assistant, but for you to be able to remember, oh yeah, I like that thing. Once they capture and organize the things, they are able to create that documentation so that things can be repeatable moving forward. Because that's essentially what a standard operating procedure is it's a way for you to create repeatable results, and not just your business, but also your life. And of course, in your business side, it's them documenting how you are getting clients, how you're onboarding clients, how you are actually providing the service or the product that you're selling in your business, and being able to just free you up from not being the only person who knows how to do a certain thing. Next thing an assistant can help you with is then create best practices. So they've captured and organized your information, they've created documentation. Now they can create best practices on how you do certain things in your business and, again, your life. This could be best practices of how to work with you, or best practices of how you've been able to get your best and favorite clients. This could be best practices of what are different ways that your family likes, certain events, and being able to give them gifts. It could be a lot of different ways a virtual assistant can help you with, but them creating that hey, this is the best way that we've been doing, this is the best we've been creating success with before, so this is one of the ways that we can now have this moving forward. The next thing that an assistant can help you with is verify information. So this goes down to researching, this goes down to making sure that they have the right information for you. This could be making sure that you have the right hotel, the right place for the event that you're going to. This could be verifying the person you're about to have a call with. This could be even filtering people that you have gotten through lead generation to make sure that they're a good fit for you and your business. So they can be, again, that filter, that first line of defense for you and your business, so you're only paying attention to the things that you should be paying attention to. Next thing that an assistant can help you with is managing or even hiring freelancers. So this is something that people usually don't really think about, but your assistant could be the one who can be looking over what the freelancers are doing, who could be making sure that you're paying their invoices, who could also be managing their work, delegating work to them, giving them more things to do based on what you need for your business. They could be keeping that line of contacts of, like, in the future, if you need that same skill set again, they know who to contact because, again, they have that list of freelancers that you worked with before. And of course, another way that your virtual assistant can help you in your business is to be able to track numbers. Now, this is going to be something that a lot of entrepreneurs love doing, is just tracking numbers, because we want to keep creating, we want to keep building. But when it comes to actually growing your business and knowing where you're at, your assistant can help you track how many leads you've gotten in, how many people you have on social media, how much engagement that you get, what are the actual essential things that you care about in your business, and knowing, so that you can keep tweaking and building and creating more and more things into your business. And of course, one of the biggest ways an assistant can help you with you and your business is have you work on your business instead of in your business. Now, this is coming from the book E-Myth by Michael Gerber, where the ideal life or path for any entrepreneur is for us to be able to work on the business instead of being stuck in it. It's be able to free us up from business being a job to being an actual business owner. And you can only really do that when you have someone else doing the work with you, or even better, of course, for you. So assist can do beyond just the admin tasks, the social media tasks, day-by-day tasks that you need done. The assistant can really help you become a true business owner rather than just being a solopreneur, which a lot of people do get stuck at. It's usually like the ceiling that they will get stuck at. So these are all the different ways an assistant can help you and your business, especially in upcoming year. And of course, if you guys want to be able to get started on your path of wanting a virtual assistant, go ahead and fill up our scorecard, or 2XU scorecard, where you can figure out what are different gaps basically that you might be missing. What are different ways an assistant can help you in your business. You guys can check that out on 2XU.com/scorecard. And of course, if you guys like this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button right there and comment below what are different ways do you think an assistant can help you in your business. I would love to know. And if you still haven't yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button right there so you don't miss any videos every Sunday and Thursday on how to work from home and how to have a business from home, which you guys can check out those two playlists right here and the latest video right here. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and remember that small steps matters, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.